Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix a child welfare case with Child Welfare Services, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the nature of your child welfare case. Gather all relevant documentation related to the case. Review the case file to identify specific issues raised by Child Welfare Services. Contact your assigned caseworker to discuss your concerns. Request a meeting with your caseworker to have a face-to-face conversation. Prepare questions in advance to ensure all your concerns are addressed. During the meeting, listen actively to the caseworker's perspective. Express your willingness to cooperate and understand the requirements. Take notes during the meeting for future reference. Ask for clarification on any points you do not fully understand. Develop a plan of action based on the feedback provided. Work on any recommendations given by Child Welfare Services. If needed, seek assistance from a legal professional experienced in child welfare cases. Consider enrolling in parenting classes or support groups as suggested. Keep documentation of all steps you take to rectify the situation. Stay in regular communication with your caseworker for updates. Attend all scheduled meetings and evaluations promptly. Be proactive in addressing any additional concerns that may arise. Remain respectful and professional in all interactions with Child Welfare Services. Document any progress or positive changes in your situation. Review the impact of your efforts over time. Prepare for follow-up visits or assessments by being organized. Stay committed to improving your situation for the well-being of your child. Be patient, as resolving child welfare cases can take time. Finally, celebrate small victories and remain focused on the end goal of reunification and safety for your child. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.